Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about knowledge as being a tool. What are tools useful for? They're useful for us to complete a task, right? If I, for example, have the knowledge of numbers, of counting, I can be an engineer, I can be an architect, I can measure the dimensions of a building, of a tree, of a mountain, I can make maps, I can make predictions using equations, all of that from numbers, from math, which is a knowledge that if you have access to it, you can use to fulfill tasks, to fulfill your activities and even your needs in your daily life. Now, the problem with knowledge is false knowledge, is when you think you have knowledge, but you do not. One way that knowledge can be false is when you use something, a tool, or when you use your knowledge that you claim to have for evil purposes, such as dominating others, living a life of a dictator, taking away freedom from people around you, and being rude and stuff like that. How many times do we know, or have we heard throughout history, or we've seen or we've read, that people use knowledge to dominate others, for warfare, to create new weapons and things like that? So there's several ways knowledge can be perceived by several different people, by several nations in the world, because the most advanced communities, societies in the world are the ones who have a better perception, a better understanding of what knowledge truly is, which is not supposed to be kept secret, but should be revealed for the entire population. Do we live in a society where knowledge is easily accessible? That's a question to ask, because true knowledge is revealing the truths for the entire community. True knowledge exists within a democratic society where everybody has the right for a word, where everybody has the right to express themselves. And that is what true knowledge is. And notice one thing, the most powerful nations in the world, the ones that are militarily advanced, technologically advanced, and whose education and healthcare is at the top, are the countries where democracy is strong. So in other words, knowledge is not a dictatorship, but rather a democratic way of thinking. Thanks for watching.